What's up, everybody? We are back with another Matchbox 5-pack. In one of my recent videos, I showed you the electric drivers 5-pack, and I told you, in my opinion, this or the electric drivers 5-pack might be the best Matchbox 5-pack of the year 2024. And I also told you, normally I buy these 5-packs at the end of the year because then they are on sale and sometimes you can get them for half the price. So €5 instead of €10. But once again, I found one for a reasonable price. This one didn't cost €7, which is quite okay for 5 models. And I bought the Matchbox Retro set, and I'm especially after one model. So let's take a look at this set. As you can see on the packaging, you see the Matchbox Field Car, which is a generic casting, but in my opinion, a pretty good one. So yeah, let's open this thing up and slide our cars out. And as you can see, one difference to the electric drivers pack. Here the cars are inside a piece of plastic. These electric drivers always come with a, I don't know, recyclable whatever inlay. But yeah, that's just that. And yeah, let's get started with our first model, which is this one here, the Volkswagen Beetle 4x4. And yeah, I'm honest with you, this is definitely not my cup of tea. I think I own another version of this, and just once again, only because it was also in a 5-pack. But I don't know. For me, this is a little bit too much. I mean, the color is quite cool and also the deco on it, but the model itself, I don't know. I'm not a huge Beetle fan. Even though it comes in this, I'm not really sure what this should be, kind of 80s deco or something. So, you know, normally, let's put this one here in the parking lot. Set it up on here. You know, when they put these cars together, I'm not really sure what the concept is. In this case, I think they tried to, you know, represent one decade with every car or something like that. So this should be the 70s, I guess. So this is the 1976 Honda CVCC. This one is in a really nice blue. I really like this color. It's, I don't know, kind of a satin blue, really nice. And I have to say, it reminds me on this color. I'm not sure if it's exactly the same as on this year's Mitsubishi 3000 GT. I think it's a little bit different, but it's, yeah, a really nice color. And we get pretty nice details on the front, pretty crisp. And also on the back, what does this say? Blue Mon or something? Yeah, can't read it. But the back also really crisp and really detailed. Get focused, a really nice model in my opinion. So yeah, let's put this guy also here into the background as we take a look at this one here. So this is the Matchbox Field Car. This is a generic casting. In my opinion, a really cool generic casting. I really like it. I think it mimics the Lada Niva. And you know, there was a, let's say, yeah, pretty old version or a previous, I don't know, casting of the Matchbox Field Car that they produced, I think, until the 1980s. And one of these old field cars, I think it had a similar deco like this one here. And yeah, guess trying to mimic that. I'm not really sure, but yeah, that's my guess. And I think it's really cool, this orange. We also get some headlights, details on the side, pretty nice, number 180. So definitely a pretty cool casting. I think I do have, I don't know, I think 2 other versions. This one here in blue is also pretty nice, came also with a really nice deco, but as you can see, this one doesn't have any headlights. So, oops, a really nice model, this orange one. There we go. And yeah, let's go on with this one here. And first, when I saw this, I thought it was a re-release, an exact re-release of a previous, of a previous 5-pack Volkswagen Golf Country. But I was wrong. So when I took a detailed look, I realized that I mixed it up with this one here. This one also was part of a 5-pack, I think, I don't know, last year, or was it 2022? I don't know. Anyways, they look a little bit similar, but definitely it's not the same. If you have to get focused, if you take a close look. But I really, really like these. I think they look very, very cool. I think there are also some variations. I think there's some different luggage. I think these 2 carry the same luggage, but I think there is a variation. I'm not 100% sure. I think the one from this retro 5-pack, I think the wheels match the car better. So on this one here, than on the previous version, or one of the previous versions. But I don't know. It's really, really cool, and I really, really like the deco, the colors, and so you can see them next to each other. This one's saying Rompin Racing Team. This one says Ruff Rabbit 3. And yeah. So as you can see, this one here has a gray interior and also has a gray push bar and that stuff. And this one has all that details in black. Yeah, pretty happy with that. You know, would be cool to have the interior variation if there is one, and I'm pretty sure, but in a 5-pack, I think it's pretty difficult to find that. So, and let's get to our last one, which let's say the model itself, or the car itself, is definitely not my cup of tea. I think it's a 60s Austin minivan. But the deco on this thing is pretty cool. Comes in pink, and it's decorated up like you know, an ice cream truck. And guess what? I think last year it was when we have seen this. Is what is this one called? This is oh, it's the ice cream van. So here we go. I mean, the pink is different, as you can see, but as you might know, this one here, the body is made out of plastic. This one is metal with a plastic base. And this one, it's the other way around. But yeah, does look pretty cool. Really, really nice deco. So I think it's definitely a solid 5-pack. In my opinion, not all models are as good, or I mean, I don't know if you really can call it good or not good. I mean, it always depends on what which type of car, oops, you like. And yeah, so here are our 5 models, and always at the end of these videos I'm trying to pick a favorite, and guess what? I already or you already noticed it. It's definitely the Gulf country with this really nice deco, in my opinion, and pretty cool wheels. Match the car very well. And yeah, there you have it. My unboxing of the Matchbox Retro 5-pack. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.